What's up, y'all? Welcome to Easy on Raw. One thing that's helped me get past depression, pain, suffering, something that we all go through within our lives, is getting out in nature, connecting with the God source. Our innate intellect tells us that when we're out in nature, there's something right. Something happens, to me at least. The sense, the vibe, the pleasantness of the trees, the bushes that surround me. Taking my focus away from the pain, becoming one with my body, saying to myself, we're doing this together. And I still would go for walks. And I still would do the stretching. And I still would think positively, even though I was in excruciating pain every day. I knew I would get through it. I knew it was serving me a higher purpose. And I knew it was bringing me to greater heights in my life. I thank God every day. I thank the universe for everything that it has to offer. For every fruit-bearing seed. For every plant. For every animal. I found that nature nourishes me in so many ways that I don't have to eat animals anymore. No. I've never. Not in 5 years. A lot of people believe that, like, something bad will happen. But that's all just fear. Can't be scared of the darkness. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. The doctors, they never got me really, truly well. It's intuition that has always served me. I mean, look where I am. I'm so fortunate. This is a public park. They're everywhere. And I come here whenever I need to, basically, and do a walking meditation. What I've read recently from a great book I'm reading is called Physician of the Soul, written by an ancient a Kabbalist who's very renowned. Pardon me, I forgot his name, but he says what meditation is the dwelling of God's love for humankind, which is totally amazing. I mean, if you think about it that way, how beautiful. Like Gandhi always said, be the change you want to see in the world. And I choose to see it in that sense, that when I dwell in God's world, in my mind, I think about God's love for everything. Now, when someone dies, if someone's suffering for too long, eventually their spirits who knows, they go up, but their bodies die because they suffer for too long. So that's, to me, that's love. That's God's love. That's God saying, we don't, you're not supposed to suffer past a certain point, And all those who are suffering, that paraplegics or kids born with problems, they're getting better. Born with cancer, You can be born with cancer with too many, an imbalance of your energies, your cells. It all begins from within, my friends. So I hope you can take something from this. And I'll see you next time. Peace.